Do you purchase services like Talkatone, TextNow, Google Voice, email, etc.? Or do you acquire them for your company? If so, you can get these services from us with complete reliability. Already, many companies and individuals have taken and are continuing to take our services. They have told us that they are very satisfied with our services. If you want to use our services, be sure to contact us. We have a large team, and they have been providing these services based on their experience. If you join our group, you will be able to see this for yourself. We have been providing these services for a long time. If you also join our Telegram channel, you will see that we are working with other sites as well. If you are watching our first video from YouTube, please like the video at 1 o'clock, leave a comment at 1 o'clock, and subscribe to the channel. To contact us or to get all our information, just click on the link below the video, and there you will find our group link, our channel link, and ways to contact us. What information will be provided here? For all your needs and to receive our services, you must contact us. And if you need any help regarding this matter, don't forget to reach out to us. Thank you, everyone. Take care.